Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change Planner 5D password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen, we have the new project where you can add your new projects. You have the products, resources, enterprise, and pricing. Also in the right corner, we have your projects and all of those things here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the Planner 5D password. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, go to the top right corner of your screen guys and click on your profile icon. Then here you need to go out of all of these options. So we have projects, design school, renders, favorites, notifications, profile, and settings. You need to go and click on the settings. When you click on the settings, here you'll of course, as you can see, have the change password where you can go and change your password. So you need to put your current password, the new password, which is minimum of 6 characters, and you need to confirm your new password and then click on change password. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps for this channel. So if you have this with time, of course, it would be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.